What is up guys, Standard site. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to test order on Shopify. So first you need to head over to your Shopify's website and then you just simply need to log in with your Shopify credentials to uh, redirect to the Shopify's homepage. After that, you just simply need to click on the settings icon here on the left side at the bottom. And after clicking on the settings icon, you just simply need to click on this payments method. After clicking on payments here at the top, you can see the choose a provider button under the payment providers. Click on this. And after clicking on this here, a new window will open, a pop-up will open. Just simply type test mode here in the search bar, or you can just simply type test. And as you can see for testing, this is the Bogus Gateway. Click on this. And after clicking on this, you can just simply activate it by just clicking on activate. And as you can see, the bogus gateway has been activated for testing. And now the testing gateway has been activated. So you can just simply create an order. By the way, guys, if you just come back from the payment section at the outside, you will see the bogus gateways management. If you want to turn it off, click on manage and then you can just deactivate from here. Now we will move to the home page of Shopify. So after coming to the home page, I'll just open my online store by just hovering it and then clicking on this I button to view my online store. So in the new tab, my online store will open. And let's say I want this t-shirt. I'll just click on it once. And after checking out, this type of page will open. So from here, you can just simply click on checkout and then there would be no serious payments and nothing. There would be no confirmed order or real order will be placed. So you can just simply place an order. You can choose the size, you can choose the payment method, and then you can just simply pay it. This is all for testing because your Shopify is on testing mode. And after that, when your order has been confirmed, your Shopify test mode will get deactivated or automatically if you have set it to. But if you want to make more like test mode payments, you can do that too. And you can also manage it from here by just clicking on this manage. And when you want to deactivate it, you can just simply turn this toggle off, or you can just simply click on deactivate to deactivate your test mode. So this is how you can run a test mode on Shopify. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.